Bome, or Book of Meme, is the record breaker of meme coins. It's pumped 10x within a day, then it had a correction, and now we could look at the next uptrend of Bome very soon. Also, there's a new meme coin emerging on Solana right now, and that is Slerf. Where this could take us and what really happened, I'm telling you in this video. Let's go. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please ask yourself why and do it now. You really don't want to miss any of the next videos. So why exactly is Bome a record breaker of meme coins? Well, it did a 10x within around a day. And if you compare that to Dogecoin, the most famous meme coin of all times, this one already emerged at the end of 2013, so it's been around for some time. And its first 10x took around a month or a bit more than a month. And Pepe, the most known meme coin of last year, took around 2 weeks to hit a 10x. Also, what's completely crazy, Bome started out on March 15th, and just a single day later, it was already listed on most of the centralized exchanges, meaning Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Bybit, and BitGet. Also, the listing on the centralized exchanges meant the beginning of this small correction here. Before that, all the volume was coming from decentralized exchanges, so Radium, for example. Here you can see that the DEX volume of Bome is currently at $236 million, and on Binance alone, we have a volume of over $1 billion. So retail on centralized exchanges really took over. So is it too late to buy Book of Meme, or is this rally just getting started? To answer that question, I have some comparisons and some technical analysis for you. What you can see right here is Doc with Hat, another hyped meme coin on Solana right now. It's listed on the centralized exchanges for some time now, and it's already pretty big. I mean, the market cap is sitting at around $2.6 billion, ranking it the 48th biggest crypto at the moment. And just in the last 22 days, it did another 10x. From its bottom, this means more than 50x. Now, the market cap of Bome is around $630 million. And if we take a look at the market cap of Doc with Hat over time, you can see that around $630 million was around here. So just before the recent rally started for WIF. Of course, we don't know if Bome is exactly to repeat this price structure. So let's have a look at Pepe as well, because this price structure seems to be a bit more comparable to Bome, just on a different time scale, meaning quicker. So Pepe had this big rally first, then it corrected to the 0.618, accumulated for some time after that, and then it had its second big pump, and this second big pump alone is another 10x. And Bome is following that pretty nicely at the moment. As you can see, we just bounced off the 0.618 after the first big pump, and if this is to repeat itself, we could accumulate for some time here again, and then have our second pump. Judging by the structure, the first price target we can look at is the 1.618, and that would mean around a 5x from current prices. If we get something like this, momentum will show how far we can go up. Also, how likely is it that this was the bottom? Well, we cannot know for sure, but Bitcoin could be an indication. As you might know, Bitcoin is correcting for the last couple of days, and now we made it to the EMA 200, the first time in this recent uptrend. This normally acts as a strong support, and if we can get a pump here, this would be good for the altcoins as well. If we lose the EMA 200, we can look at lower prices. So maybe something to monitor if you are looking to buy into Bome. But it's not just Bome anymore. The world of meme coins is going fast. And so it comes that we have the new darling of Solana meme coins named Slerf. In today's volume, it already hit $1.5 billion on the decentralized exchanges, more specifically Radium, and this is quite massive, as you can see. It's basically way more than all of the other Solana tokens you can see here below Slerf. Slerf started out yesterday and swiftly started out with around 50x within 2 hours, another record, I guess. It's already been through its first correction, then had its second pump, which is around 3-4x within 7 hours. Then it had another correction, and actually now it's looking like it's gonna break out another time. Guys, I think it should be obvious, but I'll say it anyways. This, meaning Slerf and of course Bome, are meme coins. They have no intrinsic value. But people think it's funny, so they throw their money at it, and through that it gets its kind of value. And you can actually make a lot of money with them if you're aware of the risks that comes with it. Meme coins can exist longer than you think they would. Just look at Doge and Pepe, I showed you. They have heinous pumps, crazy dumps. And for sure, if you have a gamble bag or a meme bag or something like that, Bome and maybe Slerf probably belongs into it. And the reason why you should basically hodl them for a shorter amount of time compared to other altcoins is because they can pump every day without any prior warning. So if you're into this, hold them and wait. Someday you might wake up and it's 5x, but of course exactly the opposite as well. You can wake up and they're worthless. So it's a game of extremes. It's a bit of gambling. I mean, we can see it here with Pepe again. It basically did nothing for a longer amount of time and then boom, 10x. Actually, it looks like it's gonna break out one more time after having a retest of the EMA 200, but that's another story. Another thing that I think is important to mention is that events like a new meme coin like Bome setting a new record is one of the signs that market in general is overheating. Also, you might note meme coins have performed very well for the last weeks. Also, as you can see here, the meme coin weekly trading volume nearly hit $80 billion this week alone. And this could indicate a local top, as it did many times before. And I mean, in the graph, you can really see how massive this is compared to the last months and weeks. But you know it, markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So nobody knows how long this will take. Maybe we'll see another weekly bar here in this bar chart that is higher than the 2 bars before. Nobody knows. By the way, follow me on Twitter for short-term updates. It's philprince_11. And of course, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and become part of the greatest runner-up crypto community. I am planning a lot right now you don't want to miss out. As you clicked on this video, I think you're in for the crazy returns and you're in luck. I just made a video about how to find the next 100x. And I also uncover in this video my secret strategy, the 3 pillars that you need to understand if you really want to hit the crazy multiples without losing your money. I hope you gain massive value. None of this is financial advice. Please always do your own research and due diligence. This was Phil Prince for you. Crush the markets until next time. Goodbye.